In part 2 of this tutorial, we'll create the main body of a ring by using the basics of sketching and creating clay geometry from those sketches. Find the top ring sketch plane in the object list and right-click. Select Sketch On to enter sketch mode on this plane. In the Sketch Tools group, choose the Circle tool. Most tools use left-click. Click to start a circle, approximately 16 millimeters in diameter, to define the outer profile of the image. You can always enter parameters directly using the Dynabar. Select the Line tool. Snap lines to both the top and bottom of the circle and extend them to the Z-axis. Connect the ends. Select the Trim tool. Trim away the inside segment of the circle to create a single closed profile. You can now spin the closed profile to create some clay. Select the Spin Clay tool. As prompted, select the closed profile and then select the axis of revolution. Select Create in New Piece and, in the dialog, use Pref. Set clay coarseness to Add Fine Detail. To complete the command, select an Apply method. In this case, use Create Inside. Rename the spin item to Ring. Click the eye icon to hide the top ring sketch. Now let's sketch on the front ring plane. Create a circle starting at the origin, approximately 39 millimeters. We'll use this to cut the center away from the ring. Select the Wire Cut Clay command and select the circle, and then click the next arrow in the Dynabar. Select the two-plane mode and define the distance so it cuts through the ring. Turn off Create New Piece and select Cut Inside to apply. Hide all visible planes to get a good look at your model. Now's a good time to save your work. Let's start adding details. Sketch on the bottom hole plane. Select the Ellipse tool. Create an ellipse at the origin with a width of 12 millimeters and a height of 8 millimeters. Click the Wire Cut Clay command, select the ellipse, then click the next arrow. Set a distance of 30 millimeters. Select the Create in New Piece option and Create Inside to apply. Rename the resulting wire cut piece to Bottom Hole. Right-click the bottom hole piece and use the Remove From command to Boolean this from the ring piece. Hide the bottom hole piece and the bottom hole plane. Sketch on the top ring plane and show the image planes. Create a line starting at x equals -10 millimeters, y equals 0, and ending at x equals -23 millimeters, y equals 0. Using the Project to Sketch command, select the line you just created. Notice it projects onto the clay as a curve. Rename the curve Top Center Line. Using the Pipe command, select the curve. Change the start diameter to 8 millimeters and end diameter to 4 millimeters. Turn off Create a New Piece and Cut Inside. Hide the image planes and top ring plane for a good look at your work. Start a sketch on the side ring plane and press F4 to reorient the view. Using the Line tool, create a vertical line starting at x equals 5, y equals 10, and ending at x equals 5, y equals -10. Select the Sketch Mirror tool. Use the Select Objects mode and select the vertical line. Click Apply. Using Project to Sketch, project the curves onto the ring. Rename the curves Side Curve 1 and Side Curve 2, and then hide both of them, plus the side ring plane. Now's another good time to save your work. Right-click the ring piece in the object list. Select Duplicate. Rename the resulting piece Internal Detail. Sketch on the front ring plane. Select the Offset Sketch command. In the Dynabar, set the offset distance to 2.75 millimeters. Select the circle already on the front ring plane and select outside the ring to create a positive offset. Select the Line tool. Sketch a center line through the top of the ring starting at the inside circle and extending to y = 25. Using Project to Sketch, project the offset circle and center line to the clay. Rename these Pattern Curve and Center Split, respectively. Hold down the Control key to select both curves, drag them up into the ring piece with the rest of the curves, and then hide them. Sketch on the front ring plane. Press the D key to let you see through the part. Select the Line tool, create a vertical line just inside the pipe cutout. Edit the line to start at x = -5, y = 30, and ending at x = -5, y = 15. Create a second vertical line inside the bottom ring cutout. Edit the line so that it starts at x = -3.5, y = -15, and ends at x = -3.5, y = -30. Select the Sketch Mirror tool. The mirror line should already be set to the y-axis. With the Select Object option in the Dynabar, use the Control key to select both vertical lines and apply. Select the Line tool and connect the top and bottom sets of lines as shown. Use the Trim tool to clean up some of the lines as shown to create a new closed profile. Note the profile turns blue once it is properly closed. Use the Wire Cut Clay tool, select the profile, and cut away the outside. Make sure Create in New Piece is turned off. Press the D key again to toggle the opacity of the part back to normal. Sketch on the front ring plane again. Select the Offset Sketch tool and set the offset distance to 1 millimeter. Offset the 3 lines on the bottom of the ring inwards as shown. With the Select Sketch Object tool, select and drag the top endpoints of both vertical lines inside the inner circle. Grab the Trim tool again and trim the lines up as shown to create a small profile shape. Collapse the front ring plane and activate the ring piece. Hide the internal detail piece. Wire cut the groove into the ring piece by using a Cut Inside command. Make sure Create in New Piece is disabled. Hide all visible planes and admire your work.